Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Is it going to be yes or no? It is not going to be yes or no. This is going to okay. Spark your question for now, because I don't think. I think you have the same question as what Krishna maybe had. So let's spark it for now. And then we will see what exactly the difference between drill down and detail is. I think that is where most of the folks have an issue. So we'll just get that clear today. Okay. Go to the filters, please. And if you want to add any filters, you can add some filters over here, at the same as what we saw in advanced reports as well. If you want to add a filter, you can add a filter. Probably I would put it as country and USC or something. Country. Yeah. This is on the worker country, which means your worker's location. Just second one is your worker's and domicile address. Your domicile address is different from your worker address. So this is your worker address. All right. Let's go to the next slide. If you want to add some prompts, you can add some prompts. What is filter on aggregation? Your count is going to be your aggregation option on this. All right. And, like I said, if I'm going to use a non-index data source, I may have more than one rows in the count. Same employee may have more than one rows, because it is a non-index data source. There I can give some filters on that aggregation as well. That aggregation operation that is happening. I can give some filters over there. So count of distinct employees in SQL terminology. That is what it is. I would rather give it a select count of distinct employees or some other operations that I want to make on my filtering. That's just an example. Sorry, not on the filtering aggregation. Some other filtering that I want to do on my aggregation is what that is about. And prompts. I don't think you need to give any prompts, because you already gave a filter saying USA. Now go ahead and run the report, please. Output. Hope everybody knows what an output is and everything. And it can be a trial chart this time, if possible. I don't think here. This report may be okay for a chart because you've given management level and it's a matrix report. So it may not make much sense right now. We'll try it after this. Okay. Once we see the output, I will tell you. Or probably as an activity. You can try your chart, but let's first do this, and then we'll come to that. Because we are actually on the top of the hour right now. That's why I'm just trying to get a little rushing through. All right. You can share it with authorized groups, whatever security groups that you have. Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. Good. Click on OK. Anything in advanced field? I don't see any necessity. 1. So, because everything is clean here, we already optimized for performance and I don't see any facet options that you may need at the moment. Now go ahead and run this report. You don't have any options over here, and hope everybody knows where this prompt options are coming from, even though I gave nothing. Chart and table also coming Arian right. Yeah, that will come, but I wanted to explain this first. Okay. Now, first and foremost, all the employees are active employees. You gave A, okay, now get it. Come, do me one favor. In the top you see G, underscore, H, C, M, reporting metrics and whatever right. Go to the relevant actions of that. I'll tell you because I want to explain something over here important. Go to that particular custom report. You see on the right side, on the right. Go to edit and then right-click and open it on another tab. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. No worries. Just do okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now what you do is duplicate this tab, run the report on another tab, and I want you to also see, run. No, you cannot do that. Duplicate the tab. I want the report definition and the report details on side-to-side tabs so that I can explain those drill down and detail options to everyone, because that's where I feel that some of you do have a small gap. So let's get that at rest today. That's what is my primary motion. Okay. And it's not going to run the report, it's only going to save it. So hold on. Hold on. You have another time there. You can run it. Okay. You have? You run it over there, or what is the status of that tab? I think I haven't. Okay. Run this report. Okay. And hope everybody knows where this prompt option is coming from. These are undefined or these are hidden prompt fields that are coming directly from your data source or business object. Alright. Now go to your report definition, please. No. You have it already in your other tab, other time. Yes, you have it in your other tab. That's what I was just referring to. Okay. Now come down, please come down. Scroll down. Come down. Wait, hold. Go to the top. Go to the top in the grid. In the grid. No, in the grid. Okay. In the grid. Alright. Location, address, which is country and management level. Primary position. Now go to your report. Go to your report. See here. It says, first column in the report is location address, country, which is USA. Second one is management level, primary position, whatever is going to be the management level, all those management levels which have been defined over there. The first two columns go back to the report definition, please. Next scroll down. Keep scrolling down and grouping. We gave only grouping, as currently active is the only type of grouping that we gave. Alright. And since we have chosen the data source filter as active workers only, we are getting only yes over there. Go back to the report. Go back to the report. See here the third column, which says yes, because our data source filter is active workers only. It says only yes. If you had chosen the data source filter as terminated workers also, you will see another bunch of column here which is going to say no as well. Yes or no? And if you want to have other kinds of grouping in the column level, you can give those column grouping anything that you want.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.